Kimi K3 just released, and it's already beating Claude Opus 4.8 on key benchmarks. Today, we're putting it to the test. In this video, we'll look at Kimi K3, how it performs, and how to actually use it. Let's start with the benchmarks that have already been released. On knowledge work, Kimi K3 scored 1,687, behind Claude Fable 5 and GPT 5.6, but ahead of Claude Opus 4.8. On agentic browsing, Kimi K3 actually beat Claude Fable 5, which is genuinely impressive. Now let's see it in action. Head to kimi.com and select the K3 model. From here, you can prompt it with anything. For this test, I'll use a prompt for an elevator simulation and see how Kimi K3 handles it. The task, build a simulation where you can spawn people on different floors. There are 3 elevators. Each elevator can carry only one person at a time, and anyone left behind has to wait for the next one. Let's see what Kimi K3 comes up with. After some thinking, it starts creating files. Currently building index.html. It's ready. Let's open it. And now let's try it out. This looks pretty good. I'll set the population to 4 and click spawn. The logic is correct, and the simulation runs as expected. The UI looks great too. Clean and polished. It's working well, and it's showing that each passenger has been delivered. Now let's push it further. 10 people, and click spawn. As you can see, people are being picked up one by one, following the logic correctly, and the simulation completes. The logic holds up. The UI holds up. Though there's still some room for improvement in certain areas. Overall, Kimi K3 is genuinely solid. I'd say it's a clear step up from Opus 4.5, though it's not quite at the level of Fable 5 or GPT 5.6 yet. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.